Hello YouTube, what's going on? This is the Albino Carrots on a tutorial on how to make a simple Hello World with C++. What you gotta do first is you gotta open Notepad.
Yep, gotta do it.
Or, well, you don't have to open Notepad, but I think it just makes it a lot easier. And you can get to it by going to All Programs, Accessory, Notepad. And then what you gotta type in is include this. First, you gotta include the standard library information on everything, basically. Main, parentheses, first bracket, printf, hello world. This is basically the program. This is the big meat of it. And then end bracket, which is also called end main. But one of the most important part is you gotta save it as a .c. If you do not save it as a .c, the compiler will not recognize it, and it'll just go downhill from there.
It always depends on what compiler you have.
But with this one, you have to save it as .c. So I'm going to open Microsoft Visual C++, close the tip, and then I'm going to drag in hello.c, and you can see that all my information is there. So I'm going to build it, and it's going to ask me to make it as a workspace, and I want it to do that, so I'm going to say yes. I'm going to override it, and now I'm going to compile it by hitting this build button. And then it says there are 0 warnings and 0 errors, which means that I wrote all of this right. So I'm going to close this now, and I'm going to try to open the exe file.
I'll try.
But you can see that once the process has been completed, it just closes. So you have to open it with command prompt.
It's called a console application.
So you need to go to shortcut to my computer, C drive right here, and then I made a file here so there isn't a bunch of crap on my desktop. So you can see that I already have it in here, debug file. So I'm going to exit this, open command prompt, and I'm going to go command C semicolon /, the name of your folder. For me it's projects, then / hello tutorial. Once I do that, I want to go command debug, which is the folder that has my exe file, and I'm going to hit hello. You do not need to put the exe part. So, yeah. And then you can see that your program is here, and it's staying up. So this has been a tutorial on how to do a simple C++ file. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and check out some of our other videos, which is how to mod your gamertag on Xbox 360, and another program I made, which is pretty cool. So, see you guys. Have a nice day.